If you're looking to lose weight fast at home without the need for fancy equipment or personal trainer, here are 5 powerful exercises that will help you burn fat, tone your body, and improve your overall fitness. 1. Burpees. Burpees are one of the best full-body exercises for weight loss. They combine strength training with cardio, engaging muscles in your chest, arms, shoulders, legs, and core. This explosive movement burns calories quickly, boosts your cardiovascular endurance, and increases your metabolism. How to do it. Start by standing with feet shoulder-width apart. Drop into a squat, place your hands on the floor, kick your feet back into a plank. Perform a push-up, return your feet to the squat position, and explode upwards into a jump. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. 2. Jump rope. Jumping rope is a calorie-torching exercise that also enhances cardiovascular health, coordination, and agility. It's a full-body workout that targets muscles from your calves to your shoulders. How to do it. Grab a jump rope. Keep your elbows close to your sides and use your wrist to spin the rope. Jump lightly on the balls of your feet with slightly bent knees. Aim for 3 sets of 20 to 30 reps. 3. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are great for strengthening your core while also engaging your shoulders, arms, and legs. They're also fantastic for boosting your metabolism and cardiovascular health. How to do it. Start in a plank position, keeping your body straight. Drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs, mimicking a running motion. Perform for 30 to 60 seconds, aiming for 3 sets. 4. Jump squats. Jump squats are an excellent mix of strength training and cardio. They target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, helping you build muscle while burning calories. How to do it. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, squat down, then explosively jump up. Land softly back into the squat and repeat. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. 5. Jumping jacks. A classic but effective exercise, jumping jacks engage your whole body, improve cardiovascular health, and boost fat loss. How to do it. Stand with feet together, jump your feet out while raising your arms overhead, then jump back to the starting position. Perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. These 5 exercises done consistently 3 to 5 times a week will help you lose weight fast at home. Pair them with a balanced diet and stay hydrated for even better results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips. See you soon.